In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Clickbank account. Whether you are in Nigeria or any part of Africa, this method works perfectly for your country. Alternatively, if your country is not included among the countries that can participate in Clickbank, or your country have been included but still you cannot create your Clickbank account, I tell you that this video is absolutely for you. I'm going to take Nigeria as an example. Over here you see that I cannot still create my account. If you follow these steps, you are going to receive this information that unfortunately we cannot accept new sign-ups from your country at this time. This is truly worrisome, but I tell you, just have to relax and let me show you step by step on how you can create your account. This method works perfectly for any country that's having this same problem. If you are new to this channel, I want you to quickly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the thumbs up button, and feel free to express yourself using the comment section. Ask questions, let me know how you feel about this video, and I'll get to attend to your questions when necessary. The first step towards creating a Clickbank account is to first create Payoneer account, and this is very simple. Payoneer is just an online, I call it online bank account, where your commissions will be deposited. It's very simple to fill up the form. You're going to get something on this form. You may be asked to wait for some days so that your account will get approved before you continue. Now the second step towards creating Clickbank account is to change your IP address. You can see here that I'm using Nigeria IP address. For us to change our IP address, we have to download Epic browser. To launch your Epic browser, if you are launching for the first time, this is how it's going to appear. You're going to see this button here, red. Put it on. Come over to UK. That's all. Now you can browse. You can search for Google over here. Now you can see our IP address have been changed to that of United Kingdom. Now go ahead over here and search for clickbank.com, and also search for fake name generator in a different tab. Now you can see the first tab you search for Clickbank, the second tab you search for fake name generator.com. You select this accordingly, and country is United Kingdom over here. Then you generate. Come over to this phone number here. You're going to see copy this phone number, taking note of the country code. Copy this, come over to this place. Now over here I have to choose United Kingdom, and that's my name. This phone number, it has to change to United Kingdom +44 and Control V. I paste this over here, and this is it. As you can see, I'm supposed to click join Clickbank. Now you can see this, we're making progress. So over here I have to save this. So no, I got this, I might tell them no, they're not interested. Here we are, still making progress. I have to complete my profile. Now you have to go back to fake name generator to generate informations, other informations, to complete this information here, this form over here. Okay, we have the street address. I have to come over here. This is my street address. I copy it, come back here, and I paste it here. I leave this state and province and city. I come back to fake name generator. This is my city from where I will get my state. Please pay attention here. This is my city over here. I copy it. I come back to Clickbank. I'll have to paste it over here. Go to your Google and still paste in the same name and search for it. So through this very city you can now get your state. Now we can see over here, this is the name we are searching for. Definitely we have to go back to Clickbank and see if this very name here, not Umberland, is available there. If not, we find alternative, but if it's there, that means this is the state of this very city here. So what we need to do is come back to Clickbank. Yes, it is. We have to search for, this is it. So we have our state filled in, postal code. We come over to fake name. This is our postal code. Copy it. Come back to Clickbank and still paste it here. The payee name is your name as it appears on your Payoneer. So I have to put in my name. This is the way it appeared on Payoneer. And after you've done this, nothing else to be filled in here. Okay, I have to save. As you can see over here, your profile has been successfully updated successfully. So, and to verify this, I have to log in. Come over here, your email or account nickname. So now I've entered my email address, and here goes my my password, account nickname. Then I sign in. There we go. My details will be saved. I can choose to save or I say never. You have to quickly go through this information to see how it may concern you. Come down here. If you are new, you click on this. If you already have accounts that you want to link up, you do follow here. So I have to create accounts. Over here you have to decide the vendor, an affiliate. Definitely will be an affiliate. You still have to create a nickname. Now I have to enter accordingly 5 to 10 characters alphanumeric and your account to continue. So as you put your name here, it has to check whether your name is available or not. So if it's not available, you have to find another name to use. So I already mixed up with this. Now create account. So you can see my account is gradually setting up. Click over here. Now we have to sign in. I have to put in there. I sign in. Now you can see our account has already been set up. This is the information as a brand new account with the new format interface. Rather, you can see that I've already created my account. Now that you've created your account, you are a few steps away from earning your first commission. In the subsequent video, I'll be teaching you all of these lessons over here, and I want to quickly show you how interesting it is. Like this very number 7 here, the 7th lesson, how to determine which traffic source to use in promoting your product. This is very necessary, as not every traffic source is best for a particular product. It is very necessary that you know which traffic source to use in promoting your Clickbank product. Take for example, here is Clickbank marketplace, and if I choose to promote a product on e-business and e-marketing, here I sort it by gravity. Okay, over here you can see on this first product I click to open. Now I have to copy this web address over here. This is the website on where this product is kept. This will enable me know which traffic source do people use to come into this very website. I come over here with this one of my digital tool. I'll have to analyze to find out on the social aspect which traffic source do people troop in to that very website. Here we go. So we have to move down to social part of this. Okay, this is it. And here you can see that in this very website people troop in through Facebook by 52.7% and through YouTube 40 points. The difference is not really much, but you've seen that Facebook ranks highest on the social media through which people troop into this very website over here. So on the other side also, I have to come over here to open this very to see these products. Now also I have to copy this web link here. I copy, I close up this, I come back here over still on this website. Using this tool, I search. Here we go. On this very website. Okay, over here you can see that over on this very website here, that on the social part of it, using social media, people troop into this website through YouTube more than Facebook. So let me ask you a question. If you are to promote these two products, which traffic source are you going to use? If you are to promote this very product, are you to use Facebook or to use YouTube? And good thing, YouTube is a free advertising channel, but the issue is creating the video that you are going to upload there. But don't worry about that. Some of these vendors have already created a very nice videos for you to just download and re-upload into your YouTube channel, so that people start watching it over there, and on the process they click on your affiliate link and land into this very website and make purchase. On the process you earn your commission. In the 8th lesson you are going to discover the top trending Clickbank products, and I'll also be teaching you products to avoid in Clickbank. Clickbank has thousands of digital products and physical products too. If you don't know how to, not all of them are sellable, not all of them are marketable, so it's very necessary that you know the products to avoid in Clickbank and which to promote. And also some mistakes that I made, and some of my students made this mistake, and while we were beginning anyway, now we've discovered this mistake, I'll have to let you know them so that you jump and pass over them. Now on this traffic sources, which is the life wire of every affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is about driving traffic to your affiliate link. I have 3 good traffic sources that I use. I use Facebook with landing page. I use pay-per-click and PPC. I also use YouTube. Some persons do not know that YouTube is an advertising channel. They just go in there to watch video. No, it is really a platform for advertisement. I will show you how you can do that. And also I have free 5 digital tools to help you succeed in Clickbank and online generally. As I've shown you above, you've seen how I was able to use similarweb.com to detect the traffic source to use in promoting my products, and I will be showing you some other tools that you use to make your work very easy. It is very necessary that you get to know what your competitors are working on, so that you join and know how to beat your competitors in the field of affiliate marketing. For you to get this complete video, you have to hook me up on the number on your screen, and also through WhatsApp and or through email on the email address on the screen also. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And finally, I wish you all success in your digital hustles. I'll see you next time.